Hey y'all again. We're just gonna make a microwave wings video. Um, I'm gonna keep on hashtagging road to 400 subs. It's gonna be real quick video, and make some more today. And a quick shout out to Sky Zone, and I'm gonna give a shout out to my new subbers tomorrow on Shout Out Friday, and then shout out Sunday. Alright, here you go. Here's the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna make more video like this later on, and tomorrow and the rest of the weekend when I have fall break. Sometimes I won't be making videos like in weeks because I'm having school day, and I'm gonna get my report card maybe 2 Mondays from now. So that's when I'm getting my PS4, and then I'm gonna make PS4 videos of Fortnite and Minecraft and all of that. So y'all be prepared when I do that. And y'all have a nice day. Happy Thursday, y'all.